Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new here. In today's video, I'll show you one hack that you must know. How to reuse your foil balloons. This is such a simple but useful hack that can be done literally within few seconds. All you'll need is this balloon stick that comes with your foil balloons, or you can even use a straw. It is hollow inside, so it helps to carry the air out of the foil balloons and makes it possible to deflate your balloons. Simply insert a tube inside your foil balloon, but you will feel that it has a little sound, and that means you have got it. You can hear the sound of the air coming out. And simply now press it and the air comes out further. How easy is this? Next and final step, just press it down fully so air comes out through the tube, and fold it, store it, and reuse it in your next birthday party. Okay, so here's a second balloon to deflate and reuse for the next party. Sometimes after you insert the straw into the foil balloon, you will notice that after you press the balloon down, air is not flowing out of the straw. In that situation, you remove the straw and reinsert it back like so, and inserting a little more in than previous will help. Here we go. Here's the sound of the air flowing out. Voila! This is how easily you can deflate and reuse your foil balloon. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Do check out my other quick and easy DIY tutorials videos. If you haven't, check out my balloon playlist. Be sure to check out my DIY balloon tower on a budget. You'll be glad that you did. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.